Can AI create Cornell notes from lectures? Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence can take your lecture notes for you? Well, let's break it down. Yes, artificial intelligence can create Cornell notes from lectures. It uses advanced language models to process what is said in lectures and organizes that information into the Cornell note-taking format. This format is structured with three main sections. First, there is a large note-taking column where you write detailed information. Next, a smaller left-hand column is used for keywords or questions. Finally, there is a summary section at the bottom to wrap everything up. This layout helps students focus on key points and makes review sessions more effective. Now, let's talk about how this works. Artificial intelligence tools designed for this purpose analyze lecture text or audio transcripts. They generate structured notes that follow the Cornell layout. The process starts with recording detailed notes during the lecture. Then, you identify key terms or questions and write a brief summary afterward. AI-powered Cornell notes generators take this a step further by automating the note-taking process. Users can input lecture transcripts, study materials, or even meeting content. The AI will then produce organized Cornell-style notes. These tools typically extract main ideas and supporting details for the note-taking column. They also identify keywords or formulate questions for the cues column. Lastly, they summarize the content concisely for the summary section. This automation can save a lot of time. It allows students to focus more on learning rather than spending hours organizing notes. AI-generated Cornell notes can be especially helpful for reviewing complex lectures or preparing for exams. They help manage large volumes of information efficiently. Practical applications of this technology are numerous. Students can convert recorded lectures or class notes into clear, review-ready Cornell notes. Educators can prepare structured lesson summaries and questions for students. Researchers can organize findings and key points from articles or papers. Professionals can summarize meeting discussions with clear action points and questions. While artificial intelligence can produce well-structured Cornell notes, it is still important for users to review and adjust the generated notes. The AI may not always capture the nuances of a lecture or the instructor's emphasis. However, using artificial intelligence to create Cornell notes can significantly streamline the note-taking process and improve study efficiency.